Hi friends, it's Barry. Let's solve this maths puzzle together. Camila had twice as many blueberry jelly beans as cherry jelly beans. After eating 10 pieces of each kind, she now has 3 times as many blueberry jelly beans as cherry jelly beans. How many blueberry jelly beans did she originally have? So let's say the number of blueberry beans is B, and the number of cherry jelly beans is C. So we want to set up some sort of equations and find these values. So it says after eating 10 pieces of each kind, so that means the number of beans of each kind is decreased by 10. So that's after eating 10 pieces of each kind. She now has 3 times as many blueberry beans as cherry beans. So after that, she has B minus 10 equals 3 times C minus 10. So that's one information. The second information we're given that she had twice as many blueberry jelly beans as cherry jelly beans. So we have B equals 2C because blueberry beans is twice as many as the cherry beans. So at this point, we now have B equals 2C. So we want to substitute B equal to C directly to this equation. So let's say 2C minus 10 equals 3C minus 10, okay? So 2C minus 10, 3C minus 30. So let's put C's onto one side, 3C minus 2C, and then minus 10 plus 30, which is 20. So originally she had 20 cherry jelly beans, and because we know that B is 2C, so blueberry beans is 2 times 20. That is 40. So Camila originally had 40 jelly beans. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.